So I mentioned, Adam, that I migrated to that new M4 Mini, the refurb that I bought, and it's been fine. I chose to not do migration assistant on this because it's been a while, and I figured it was fine. It was time, right? So, but I wanted to make sure that I didn't miss getting any apps moved over. Obviously, I want to make sure I didn't miss getting any data moved over. So I did multiple backups of my old Mini, and I still haven't recommissioned it yet. So if I need to get something, it's still running. But what I found was for installing apps specifically, using Homebrew Casks to install not just Homebrew is great for installing terminal apps. Casks are the way that Homebrew installs like regular apps on your Mac, apps that live in the applications folder, apps that you would download from places that aren't the Mac App Store, right? The Mac App Store is kind of a package manager for the apps that it manages. And then there's no package manager for all the other third-party apps that you have. And while Homebrew doesn't have all the other third-party apps, it has probably 85% of them. And I had started doing this on my old Mac because that, Mac Updater went away, sadly. And there is a new app out that kind of does what Mac Updater did. I wish it did all the things, called Updatest, Updatest. I'll put a link in the show notes. We've talked about it before on the show. And one of the ways that it helps you keep apps updated is it adopts them into Homebrew Casks. But what that meant was I had all of my apps in Homebrew Casks, and you can export a list of all of the apps that you have installed and then just have your new Mac install them over there. Now, I went through the list and made sure I wasn't installing things that I didn't need anymore. But having them installed that way really made life easier for migrating to a new computer. And so I know we've talked about this on the show a few different ways, but it was the first time that I'd seen a marked difference in my workflow and my organizational life because of it. And so I wanted to share kind of this real world thing. It worked pretty well. So I don't know if you've installed any apps with Casks, but I'd hesitated for a while because it's like, well, I want to get them from the developer, and they are coming from the developer. It's just that Homebrew's kind of becoming the package manager for it. So
sure,
yeah, it's pretty good. So anyway, that
works.
Yeah, and the new M4 Mini is great. I should have done this a while ago, but that's how things go. Yeah,
so, that's not surprising.
Yeah, that's just how it is. And I think RAM is as much of a difference as because I'm going from a 16 gig M1 Mini to a 24 gig M4 Mini, and so it makes a difference.